Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy SK Visions, and today I have another video for you guys. The video will be how to make your own V-flats. So right now we're in Home Depot. I decided to come and show you guys where to find it or what it looks like before we actually paint these foam boards. All right, so right now I got foam boards / insulation boards from Home Depot. These cost around $17 for the ½ inch. It's like $30-something for the inch, and then $60-something for the 2-inch. But I would recommend using a 1 inch. These are ½ inch because this is all they have in store right now. So normally what you would do is you would paint each side white and black for both. White would be to bounce light, black would be to absorb light. So this is what we got so far. And then all we gotta do now is find paint and wood and something to hold the V-flat into, because we're gonna actually put this to stand up by itself, okay? So stay tuned. All right, so now we're gonna pick up some L brackets. The L brackets are very inexpensive. It costs like $7 to $10, depending on which one. So these are what we normally get right here. These are the L brackets. So essentially, we're gonna get a piece of wood to screw these in, and the V-flats are gonna fit in between these. So that's what we're gonna do so it can stand up by itself. All right, now that's done. We're gonna go for the wood to use as a base for it. So, oh, I forgot to say, we actually need 8 of these instead of 4, because again, essentially, we're gonna have 2 placed on each of these to hold it properly. So we need 4 brackets for one and 4 brackets for the other one. So that way we could have 2 or 1 on each side to hold it, if that makes sense. I'm sorry. Okay, so now we are on the paint aisle. I decided, or I would encourage y'all to get flat paint. This is interior dead flat paint. You could probably get any brand, but this is Behr, and this is just a deep base. So most times you would have to go to the counter in Home Depot and let them help you dye the paint so it can be jet black. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna add this. And then one more thing is to get the wood. So that's the next step. As soon as I pass some aisles, I keep forgetting that I need extra stuff. So I'm getting the 4-inch chip brush. These cost around $1.97. So definitely need this. I also need a smooth surface roller. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. And I need one more thing right here. Just watch out. We need these to put the paint in, so I'll grab 2 of these and we set. All right, another thing I forgot to say is that we need some screws. So these are flathead screws. This is a 12-pack. These are 10 by 3/4. And I don't know the price for these, but definitely get you enough to use for each of the L brackets, okay? All right, so now we got our 2x4s. These are normally 8 feet, but for some reason they decided they're gonna cut it 7. So we made it work. We have 4 pieces. We just had to cut handheld because their machines were out of order. So that was a struggle, but at least, you know, I'm strong. So this is the final piece that we need. All right, so we got our 2x4s. We have our paint. We have our screws. We have the foam boards. We have the L brackets again. And then we also have our painting supplies. So we got brushes, rollers, and whatever this thing is. All right, but now we're gonna go back to the studio and we're gonna paint this and put it together. Okay, so now we're back at my studio. Well, this is the back of the studio. We decided to put the V-flats in the sun so that way the V-flats can dry faster. If not, it'll take around 30 minutes indoors to dry. So this may take 10 to 15 minutes, so why not? So yeah, we have Roger painted this black. One side should be black, one side should be white. And then we also rig this so it can hold the V-flats steady and standing. So 2 L brackets screwed into the wood. We bought the screws, we bought the L brackets, 2x4, and the V-flats go inside of this right here. Yeah, so we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's finished painting. Okay guys, so now we are finished. As you can see, we painted this side white, this side black. On the reverse side, we have white for this one and black for this one. We also put it in a stand so you can see what it looks like. Right now it's windy, so the wind is blowing, but stands keep it from falling. All right, so yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know below what you would like to see. All right, until next time, I'm out.